All right, hello. So today we're going to be doing the puzzle page. Only some of you guys have the puzzle page in your work packet, so double check if you have the puzzle page or the game page. If you have the game page in your work packet, then that's in the next video. So for this one, the puzzle page, we're going to be doing our crossword puzzle. We have words going across and we have words going down. So we're going to first read all the words, go over some of the words, and then we're going to put them into our puzzle. The first word is cause. Cause. What is the cause of your stress? The third three across is talk. I like to talk to my parents. The fifth word across is stress. Stress is when feelings change when I feel uncomfortable. 6 is across is the word feel. I feel mad when I am stressed. 7 across is everyone. Everyone is staying home right now. Down, we have the first word down is better. I feel better today. Down, number 2 is counselor. We have 3 counselors at Visitation Valley Middle School. Number 4 down is change. Staying home instead of going to school is a big change for me. And number 5 down is sleep. Sometimes sleeping helps me feel better I feel better when I go to sleep. Okay, so we will work on these now. The first one we're going to do is number 2 across, cause. So 2 across is right here. And I'm going to write the word cause. You guys can write this, follow along in your worksheet. Cause. And as always, feel free to pause if you need to follow along. Number 3 across is the word talk. So over here, 3, I'm going to put talk. Excuse me. Okay. The next word is number 5 across. The word is stress. 5 across is right over here. And we're going to type in the word stress. Stress. Our next word is 6 across. It is the word feel. 6 is right here, and we're going to type the word feel. Ooh, feel. All right. Our next word across is number 7, everyone. That's one of our vocabulary words this week, everyone. So 7 is right here, and that's our last word going across. Everyone. All right, now we are going to go down. Number 1 down is better. Better. So number 1 is right here. We're going to put B. E is already written. T is already written. So we have another T and another E, and then we do not need the last R. Our next word going down is counselor. Counselor is number 2 over here. We're going to go down this way. So we have C, O, U, N, S. E is already here. Our next letter is L. O is already here. And our last word is R, counselor. Our next word, 4 down, is change. Change. So 4 down, we're going to put change. C, H, A, N-G-E, change. And then our last word, 5 going down, is the word sleep. So we have S-L already written. We have E-E-P. Sleep is our last word.